Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the University of Phoenix. University of Phoenix is a private for-profit university with its headquarters in Phoenix. This university confers certificates and degrees at the certificate, associated bachelor's, master's and doctoral degree levels. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a Phoenix.edu and press enter. Here at the official web page of University of Phoenix, you can see many options at top right panel. There you need to click on student login. Now here you will see login form page where you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing your password. Here, after providing both the details, you need to click on login where you will get directly logged into the University of Phoenix. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get signed in into the University of Phoenix. Thank you.